Terry Snowman here. On the bench today I have a Carvin DCM 2004L Professional Series Power Amp. It's the 4-channel one. It came in, channel 1 was not working. And I kind of narrowed it down to the input. And what I saw was right here, the solder looked like it had cracks in it, so I reflowed it. And the only other thing I did was I kind of wiggled these wires around because they can build up corrosion in the contacts. And on this right here, there was a little chafing on one of the ribbon wires, but it didn't seem to go through the insulation. And that's all I did in the channel 1 came to life. And there was a little scratchiness when I'd plug in the speakers, but the contacts are probably dirty. So all I'm doing now is just kind of spraying out the dust. I'm using just some dust, electronics duster. It was pretty clean. Then I'll use some electronics cleaner on the pots. Try to get it in the little cracks. It wasn't very noisy at all. These amps seem to be made really well. I'm just spraying the inputs and outputs. And I don't even know I couldn't find the year on this anywhere. Don't really know what year it could be. But that's all I did to get it channel 1 back on. A little cleaning. Capacitors all look pretty good. I don't see anything suspicious. And everything works. And that's it. I'll do another video when I have it all hooked up and running.